Okay, now we are going to discuss about the occurrence of the 13th group elements. Okay, so how much percentage we can occur these 13th group elements? Occurrence. Occurrence. Okay, what is the 13th group elements? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Atomic numbers is of 5. Boron is a 5, aluminium is a 13, gallium is a 31, indium is a 49, thallium is a 81. Already we are discussing about the electronic configurations. Okay, occurrence. In the occurrence, first element is a boron. Boron is fairly rare element. Boron is fairly rare element. Boron does not occur in free state in nature. Generally, boron does not occur in free state in nature, but it is occurs in the form of salts of boric acid. It is occurs in the form of salts of boric acid. What is the boric acid? H3BO3. Formula is H3BO3 boric acid. So boric acid in general we can call the carom powder. Did you see in the carom powder? That is called boric acid. Okay, boron is fairly rare element. Boron does not occur in free state in nature, but occurs in the form of salts of boric acid. So in this group, first element boron. Boron occurrence is boron is fairly rare element. Boron is fairly rare element. Boron does not occur in free state in nature. Boron does not occur. Boron does not occur in free state. Boron does not occur free state. Okay, boron does not occur free state in nature. Boron does not occur in free state in nature, but it occurs in the form of salts of boric acid. But it occurs in the form of boric acid. Boric acid formula is 3BO3. Okay, this is called carom powder. Boron does not occur in free state in nature, but it occurs in the form of salts of boric acid. Okay, after boron, which element is there? Aluminium. So aluminium is the most abundant element. Aluminium is the most abundant metal and third most abundant element. Abundant means we can occurs in the first element is a oxygen. We can occurs in the more percentage, and the second element is a silica, and the third element is a aluminium. Okay, aluminium is the most abundant metal and third most abundant element in the earth crust. Okay, first oxygen, second silicon, and third aluminium. Aluminium forms nearly 7.28% of the earth crust. Okay, next occurrence of aluminium. Second one, aluminium symbol Al. Aluminium is most abundant metal and third most abundant metal, and this is a third most abundant element. third most abundant element. So what is the first most abundant element? Oxygen. Second which element? Silicon. Silicon symbol Si. Okay, first is the oxygen, second is the silicon. Third element aluminium. Most abundant element by weight. Aluminium forms nearly 7.28% of the earth crust. How much percentage we can occur in the earth crust? Aluminium forms nearly 7.28%. 7.28% of the earth crust. The earth crust. In the earth crust, nearly 7.28% we can occurs. Okay. Next, this is aluminium occurs in the combined state or free state. Generally, boron occurs in the salts of boric acid. Boron does not occur in free state. Okay. In the same way, aluminium occurs in combined state as oxide, fluoride and silicates. Free aluminium is not available in the earth crust. It is available as a oxide, fluoride and silicates. After that, we can occurs from that pure aluminium. Okay. Next, aluminium occurs in combined state. How it is combined? Combined state as oxide, fluoride and silicates, like aluminium oxide, aluminium fluoride, aluminium silicates, like that it is available. Pure aluminium is not available. Aluminium occurs in combined state as oxide, fluoride and silicates. Oxide, fluoride and silicates. Aluminium occurs in combined state of as oxide, fluoride and silicates. Next, elements. Which elements is there? Gallium is there, indium is there, thallium is there. First element boron, aluminium completed. How can we occurs? We discussed it. And gallium, indium, thallium occurs in trace quantities. Trace quantities means very small quantity we can occurs, along with sulfides of zinc and lead. How it will be occurs? Gallium, indium, thallium, it is also not available free state. It is occurs along with sulfides of zinc and lead. Last elements is gallium, indium and thallium. What is the symbol of gallium? Ga. Indium symbol In and thallium symbol Tl. Occurs in trace quantities. Occurs in trace quantities. Trace quantities. Trace quantities. Along with aluminium occurs in combined state of oxide, fluoride and silicates. Gallium, indium, thallium occurs in trace quantities. Trace quantities along with sulfides, sulfides of zinc and lead, along with sulfides of zinc and lead. Okay, so and I will send the small tables. element and abundance. Abundance means occurrence. Okay, how much percentage it will be occurs, aluminum, calcium, gallium, indium, thallium. Okay, these are I will send.